Hey, third grade. Today is December 9th. It is Wednesday. You guys are going to start reviewing for your assessment that we're going to be taking on Friday. So we're going to review representing fractions by completing all of the slides and watching all of the videos so I can practice for my unit assessment on Friday. So I have some slides and a video, and I have an answer box, and I have some more slides and a video and an answer box. So I'm going to give you 5 slides, and then I'm going to give you a little brain break. I encourage you to do this. Take a break from your math, take a break from what you're doing, and get some of your wiggles out. And then there are going to be 5 more questions. It is really, really important that you guys are watching these videos second. So I want you guys to answer the question by yourself. Do what you can, put your answer in the box, and then watch the video and see if you got the answer correct. Watching the video and then working out the problem is not going to do you any good because it's going to be giving you the answer, and that's pointless. It's going to help you if you guys do it by yourself and then see possibly what you did wrong, because there's going to be other questions like this, and then you can make corrections and you can correct what you did wrong the first time. So there's going to be 10 questions today, and then you're going to have 10 questions tomorrow. And then at the end of this lesson, we would have reviewed representing fractions to prepare for our unit assessment on Friday. Remember, if you guys have any questions or you need any help, you need to reach out to me, send me a message, send me an email, get on office hours. Office hours are from 2:40 to 3:30 every single day. That is the best time for you guys to get on and ask me questions, or I can model something for you if needed. All right, I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.